For today's video, we were going to Seven Pirates Beach dito sa Kapatan Glan, Sarangani Province. Ayan, nakarating na nga sa wakas at ito pala yung cottage nila dito guys. And this is it, the Seven Pirates Beach. Kaya arat na! Malamig at malinis ang tubig, daig mo pang nagburakay. At hanggang dito na lang nagtatapos ang aking video. Thank you for watching.